When you learn to knit, you're probably going to be taught by having your yarn either in your right hand or your left hand. They both create the same type of stitches, but it's just going to be a slightly different technique as to how you work the stitches. Generally speaking, if you're finding it difficult learning with one method, it's worth kind of examining and taking a look at a different style to see if it suits you better. So yarn in the right hand, you will go and tension your yarn, usually by maybe wrapping around your finger. Sometimes people wrap it around their wrist. And then as you go to go knit, you can either leave your finger sitting here, and this is known as a throwing style, where I'm throwing the yarn around the needle. Or sometimes people actually do it by taking their whole hand around and bringing it around, frequently known as English style knitting. Or alternatively, if you hold your yarn in your left hand, so this is if you put it around your wrist, it's a different way of tensioning the yarn. You'll hold your index finger up, and then you'll just hold the right one a bit like a pencil and pick it through. It's known as continental style or picking style, where you pick the stitch through the yarn through the stitch. You can see that I'm more comfortable with the yarn in my right hand because that's how I learned, but I can use it with my left hand because there's some types of knitting where you're using two colors, and it's very useful to be able to knit with both hands. So they're the two basic styles. There are other variations, but they're the two most common that you'll come across.